Today's my topic is Introduction to Deobandi Elders, and today's person is Maulana Zakaria Kandhalavi, the author of the book Fazalul Amal. He died in 1982. Iqbal Rangoni has written a book about Zikr and Ashghal ki Ahmiyat. This book is also in English. In English also you can read it. Anyhow, withholding the breath. Uh, they indulge in holding the breath till they see the manifestation of the Haqq. That means they see the tajalli of Allah, vision of Allah. Okay, listen. Zakaria Kandhalavi writes, Sheikh Shah Abu Said Nomani used to do shagle habse dam, that means withholding of the breath. He was able to, once he has seen the tajalli of Allah, he wanted to see it once again. So he held the breath for several hours until finally manifestation of the tajalli occurred. Hazrat Nizamuddin al-Umri, okay, his sheikh asked him to do Allahu 90 times, but slowly he has the capacity, ability to extend it up to 400 times in a single breath. You have to believe it because it is Shaykhul Hadith. That's what he has written. Fortunate are those people who can recite 1,25,000 durud every day. Person, Abdul Quddus Gangohi, who died in 1537, that when he was about to be buried, his son found that when he placed his hand on his chest, that his heart was still beating and he was doing Zikr Khalbi. Yes, routinely on every Thursday they do Bara Tasbih, then once in a while Khatme Khajagan, Zikr Zat, and all those things. And Allah protected from all these bidya.